So we're going to uh, tackle about the handlers, lesson 2. And if you're going to review sa ating lesson 1, we only execute or run one playbook. Okay, simple playbook na it will install a web server, which is Apache server, and nothing fancy on that playbook. But in this lesson 2, we're going to tackle about handler, okay? So if you notice, kung kayo po ay madalas na nag-i-install ng application or ng isang services sa isang server, ginagawa niyo to, di ba? At first place, you're going to do this the whole a lot, okay? For the simple illustration lang, no? This is installations of Nginx services server, and ginagawa kasi dito is he install the server by using apt and then configure the basic settings sa web server, and then until na natapos niya na-config ang configurations, you're going to restart, okay? He have a decisions to make if he going to restart. So, or else, hindi magre-reflect ang ginawa niya dito sa step 2, okay? So, dito po, papasok yung ating sa Ansible na handler, okay? So, going back here sa ating terminal, which is lesson 2. So, meron po tayong roles, handler, tasks. Meron po tayong index HTML. Later, we're going to experience that, how it will work, and then yung update, okay? Basically, ang gagawin lang kasi natin dito is, if we're going to check yung ating, okay, yung main natin, okay? So, installing first, sa first task natin yung Nginx. After ma-install niya, he going to copy the index na nakita niyo kanina, and then put it on the user share Nginx HTML, where the default uh, mga files natin na ilalagay for our Apache. And then, until magagawa niya to, is mag-update na naman siya. And then, if you notice, meron siyang tag dito he has functions of notification, and then he raised the restart engine. So, dito papasok yung restart ng web server natin. Okay? So, if you're going to check again dito sa ating playbook, okay, role handler, and then itong handlers na sinasabi natin is restart Nginx. So, equivalent to siya sa ating uh, service command natin, and then restart. Kumbaga, ganito ba yun? Ganito ba yun yung syntax niya? Restart. Parang ganun na din yun siya. So, okay. So, yun lang guys. Ah, yun lang ang buong playbook po natin for the handlers. And if you're going to check again, no, let's situate yung ating inventory is natin, inventory, tapos yung host natin, let's double check lang kung tama siya. Okay, so nilagay ko yung aking host name natin for web server. You can also put IP address sa web as a server na i-interact natin, okay? And then gagamitin natin yung ating controller. So you know that sa lesson 1 natin. And then sa ating VI, yeah, I think we tackle all no sa ating lesson 2. So if we're going to check na lang natin. Balik ko lang. So handlers yan. Okay. So paano siya i-play? So ganito natin i-play again. Same with what we have done sa lesson 1 natin, sa Ansible Playbook, inventory, which is the host, and then yung handlers. So we're going to check again. So we're going to execute. So install na yung web server. Okay, done siya. And then copy, update, change again, and then we're done. Okay? So if you're going to check sa ating web server, and then papasok po tayo sa user, remember, share, nginx, nginx, html, index, html. Up, BI na natin guys. Yan. So updated siya. Kasi, ah, ang index itself, ang itsura niya is like this, okay? Touch natin. And then if you're going to check yung code natin sa VI, roles, tapos, ano meron dito guys? Let's check muna. VI, roles, handler, tas index. Ito talaga yung itsura niya, update, not updated. Since pinakita ko sa inyo is yung updated, meaning to say, uh, ang in-update niya, ang kinapi niya is yung mismong update HTML, okay? And then he restart yung buong system, buong web server, okay? So, yun lang po yung very important sa ating gaano kahalaga po yung handler sa ating playbook sa Ansible.